Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a friend mail video. I had no idea this was coming, and it came from Michele. Michele has been watching my channel for a very long time, and she actually sent me awesome beads earlier this year, and I have one of the strands hanging on my wall. It's the only beads I have hanging in my room because I love them so much. They're that awesome African mix strand she sent me. But she sent me such a wonderful handwritten note and some beautiful beads, and I haven't looked at any of them yet, so I'm so excited to see what's in this box. Let's see. So there's a couple different things. One thing's in a gift box. Let's open the gift box first. This craft gift box. Let's see. Oh, beads. Okay, very pretty. Oh, look, a little elephant and the trunk is up. Yay, it's so cute. If you'll remember, I did a live using something that Michele gave me, my last live actually, and we've reached 7,000 viewers or subscribers. I can't believe it. And you guys know every time we reach a new 1,000, I do a live and a giveaway. So those are coming soon. They might not come next week. I don't know when it's going to happen. I'm not going to promise, but it's coming. So she sent me, she knows I love elephants, and she knows I like them with the trunk up. So, oh, that is so, so sweet, adorable. And there's actually a place we can either paint his eye or put a chaton in there, rhinestone. And then she sent another one of these beautiful agate focals. One of the ones that she sent before, I used in the live to make a necklace. So it was the purple and blue one. This is gorgeous. That's beautiful. Thank you, Michele. And then looks like we have some impression jasper cubes, or I always say they're cubes, but they're rectangles. They're 3D rectangles. And we have them in purple, beautiful, turquoise, multicolor, and blue. Those are gorgeous. I can see all of those just in one necklace, like a long chain necklace. This would be really pretty. And then she sent me some more Z beads, and I have all of her Z beads in my like African and like tribal drawer. These are gorgeous. Green, I love the green. And we've got a tulip on there, flower. It's beautiful. We have a vase or a guru style. That's gorgeous. Those are beautiful. We have like a dark blue and black and brown. And look at this guy. That's beautiful. It's almost like Red Creek Jasper looking. Very cool. And then like a translucent cloudy blue. And a really pretty brown. In translucent brown. That's really gorgeous. Thank you, Michele. You know I love these. And it's so funny because I love collecting them. I hate using them because they're so gorgeous. And once they're used up, they're used up. I promise I'll try and use them. I don't know if I can. Okay, so she sent a really nice organza bag with stars and moons. I'm obsessed with space. Let's see what's in here. Another strand of Z beads. These are gorgeous. And they're faceted. I don't know if I have any faceted that look like this. This is beautiful. This is such a gorgeous strand, Michele. Thank you so much. These are so lovely. Oh, I love those. They're about 10 millimeter. Oh, here comes Goldie. Goldie and I had a rough day today. So and this is just cheering me right up. I put her outside. I wasn't feeling well this morning, but then I put her outside, and I always stand by the door when she goes out because I live in Arizona and there are predators in Arizona. And I have a fenced in backyard, courtyard, whatever you want to call it, but a huge bird, and it was either a turkey vulture or a black vulture, swooped down and tried to get her, but I got out there way before he could get close to her. But he was on his way to her, and I always look for them, but this was the closest I've ever come to like them getting her. And he like stopped in midair and backed off. It was the craziest thing. And I was like, I just grabbed her. She was scared out of her mind because she didn't know what's going on, because all I did was scream no, and she thought she was doing something wrong. And then the bird backed off and flew away, but then like I was shaking because I was so scared, and then I was holding her, and then she threw up on me and had a seizure. So our day was just, it was all before noon. So our day started from there, and then I started a sale in my group today. So check out if you're looking for any new beads. But anyway, let's get back to Michele. This is cheering me up because, oh, she sent me another one. This is gorgeous. This is just so gorgeous. So this is the beautiful thing to cheer me up on a really, really bad day. This is beautiful. Let's go through the whole thing because you know I love these. And I'm actually going to take these downstairs and decorate with them. I got a new bookcase and it has some plants on it, and I'll try and insert a picture here. And I'm gonna drape these over one of the plants. So, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful strand. I love this black and white one. This looks like some of the dot ones that I have, but it's smaller. That's a nice yellow. I know I have this one somewhere. This looks almost like a giraffe with some electric blue. I'm loving these orange, smooth ones. This is yummy. These are also beautiful, Michele. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. There's no way I could cut this apart right now. I'm gonna hoard this for a while, Michele, and I'm gonna see it every day when I let Goldie out, very carefully, because the bookcase is right by my back door. So this is so gorgeous. Obviously, this is my favorite thing, but all of them are my favorite things because she listens to my channel and she knows what I love, and that's just so sweet of you, Michele. She's such a sweetheart. She's always left me such amazing comments, and she's just so sweet, and I'm thankful for people like Michele and for Michele who really appreciate the channel. I would have to say, obviously, this is my favorite thing, but everything was just so gorgeous. I think these are a very close second, and I think these would be really pretty with a bunch of these. But thank you so much, Michele. You're so fantastic. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Keep her in your thoughts. Hopefully, I think it was just because she was super hot and she had a seizure, but you know, with Chihuahuas, you never know. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.